Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be showing you how I make my homemade barbecue sauce. Normally when I buy the barbecue sauce from the store, I normally have to tweak it to get the taste that I like for my barbecue. So in today's video, I will be showing you what I do in order to pep up the store-bought barbecue sauce so that it has a nice flavorful taste. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So typically what I do, I use the Kraft brand barbecue sauce or the Diana brand barbecue sauce along with other barbecue sauce, and then I pep it up to give it the taste that I am looking for, or the taste that I like. Okay, so for the Kraft, I'll be using a little bit less than a quarter cup of Kraft. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same for the Diana honey garlic sauce. Just gonna add a little bit less than a quarter cup. I'm gonna also add some Kraft barbecue garlic sauce. And all of this is a little bit less than a quarter cup. Then I'm gonna add some bullseye barbecue sauce, and this is the hickory smoke barbecue sauce. So next you're gonna add some ketchup. And depending on how much barbecue sauce you need to make will determine the amount. The measurement that I'm using for you guys is just a little bit less than a half a cup for all of the sauces, including the ketchup as well. And then next, I add some Worcestershire sauce. And this I'm gonna add a tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna also add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and if you don't have brown sugar, you can also add honey, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And also some habanero pepper sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add a couple of drops, maybe a half a tablespoon. Then I'm gonna get my whisk it around. So don't forget to taste it, you guys, to make sure it's the flavor that you're looking for. Make sure it's what you like and what you want, okay? That's the advantage with making your own homemade barbecue sauce. You can get it to the consistency, the taste, and the flavor that you like. Because what I notice, sometimes the store-bought barbecue sauce doesn't taste the way I would like. So this allows me to kind of pep it up to get the taste that I'm looking for and what I like. Okay, so this is good. So this is my recipe for my homemade barbecue sauce. So it's quick and easy. Okay, so anyone can follow along to create your own barbecue sauce. So this is the end of the video, but thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.